All right. Hey, friends.
Hey, friends.
What are we doing today?
Playing.
We're making slime.
We're getting slime.
Slime. Yes, we got all of our ingredients here. And we have the slime, the magical liquid here. And we're going to make some really cool slime. You guys ready? Uh-huh. You want pink? Let's make sure Axel gets pink and August gets what color?
Blue and orange.
Blue and orange. Yeah, it kind of looks red. Reddish orange. It's okay. All right, let's get it. Let's go, Daddy.
Let's go, Daddy.
Get a bowl here.
I
Get a bowl here. Alright. So go ahead. We'll do August first.
Now it's opening.
Pour the whole thing in. Get all your glue.
Gotta pour the whole
Ew.
bottle. It's so gooey. It looks kind of like snot. Ew.
It's like poo-poo.
Ew. Ooh, Axel.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at mine.
Whoa. That was a silly sound.
Yeah, mine is flowing out. Yeah.
It's such a pretty blue, though. I like that blue. You like that blue?
Yeah.
Make sure we squeeze it all up. Oh, that's a silly sound. So the first thing we gotta do is empty out our glue bottle, which is what we're doing. Axel, how are you coming? You doing a good job? All right. August is ready for the magical liquid.
You don't touch it, okay? You gotta put this
We're only gonna do one at a time, okay? We'll do this one next time. So right now we have blue and pink.
Okay. Pour this in there, then you mix it, okay?
Then we do 1/4 of a cup of our magical liquid. And you mix it. How do you stir it up, Axel? How do you stir it up?
Alright, now go ahead, mix with your hands. Mix it up.
You gotta really get in there.
Use both hands, baby.
Mommy, what about the red one?
Yeah, we'll do the red one after
Yeah,
the
so,
blue.
yeah.
All right, Daddy will help you guys mix, okay? All right, so we've stirred it all up. Now let's pour it in our little tin. Do you need help?
No, I don't.
You got it?
No, I got it.
Here. You gotta use one arm, one hand. Here, let's do it like this.
Alright, sit down.
If you just reach in.
Mommy, I want your toe.
Okay, just do it again. There you go. There you go. All right, now we pour it in. Ooh, look at that slime. Ooh, squishy. Is it squishy?
Yeah, squishy. Okay, let's do
Axel, you ready to pour yours into your tin? Oh, you did. Wow. Very slimy. Do you like it, Axel? Yeah. Look at Daddy's hands.
Nice
You can wash your hands. Look at Daddy's hands.
and slimy.
Now it's the red one.
All right. Want to do the next color now?
It's red.
All right. So let's put our blue aside. Now let's do red.
What color we do now, Axel?
All right. Here, don't put your head in there.
Wait, there's no slime in there.
It's okay. It's okay. We can leave that in there.
Do another color?
All right. So let's. Can you open this one? Can you open that one?
Okay.
And remember, you pour it in the bowl.
It's in the top.
And then twist it. You got it?
I found it. Oh. What, Mommy?
Uh-huh.
It's sticky.
It's so sticky.
Mommy has water.
Wow.
Whoa.
Good job.
Ow.
We're pouring our red.
Ooh.
It's crazy, huh?
This is your
What color is it, Axel?
red.
Pink.
Wait, this pink.
You like pink?
What?
Uh-oh.
Over here.
You gonna do it, August?
Oh,
Alright.
Alright.
I think I like red. I think I like red more than blue. What do you think?
You like the red more than the blue?
Mommy, red. Red.
You like red?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like red.
You like red?
What?
Get it. Let me see if we can help you get some more out. And then we're gonna pour the solution in.
Look how glittery Daddy's hands are.
Daddy got the mix it.
We have a slime catastrophe over here. Slime got a little too sticky, but it's okay. It's still fun. All right. Do you still like the red slime better, August?
And
Yeah?
the blue one too.
And the blue one too? You like all the slime?
I don't know. Yeah, we put the solution in the first.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, your hands are all gluey, all sticky. It's like you're making a pizza. Are you making the pizza?
Yeah.
All right.
Making a back.
You know what we should do now?
Whoa.
You know what we should do now?
Huh?
Let's mix our blue slime with the red.
Blue.
Let's pour it in there and see what happens.
See what happens.
Mix
Oh!
it all up. Let's see. Uh-oh. Like you're making a pizza.
Making a pizza.
There you go. You gotta lift it and fold it together. Lift and fold.
Within. Whoa, it's not within. It's sticky. With it and close.
Now squish it down.
Squish
Ooh, I like those two colors together.
it down. And mix. And mix. Mix. And now mix.
It's kind of reminding me of like Starburst. What do you think, Daddy?
What do you get
It
that?
reminding you of Starburst?
Oh, I got that.
Airheads.
Yeah. You guys wouldn't know anything about that.
Get what's in the mix.
But we love that candy.
It looks like.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh.
You gotta pick it up, pick it up.
Let's see if we can mix it in.
Ooh. I like how that's coming out.
It's turning on
It's
purple.
very glittery. Okay, let's move it more on the table so we don't drop it.
It's turning purple.
It does look purple. So what does that mean? Red and blue make
Purple.
purple.
Yeah, that's right.
I made pizza.
Are you making a pizza too, Axel?
Alright, you wanna mix it with your pink one? Alright, let's mix it with your pink one.
Why is green? Why is turning white on is green? See it?
What, there's like a green.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, that's the glitter.
It's glitter because
When the glitter hits the light, those glitter specks do look kind of green.
yeah, look at green.
It's very pretty. I love your slime.
Oh,
Uh-oh. We gotta be careful.
because this is so
What is
sticky.
this, Juice?
and-
You have a giant ball of slime in your hands, August.
Mix it all.
Axel's mixing together pink and purple. Wow, Axel.
Pink and purple.
That's going to be a very pretty color. Look how glittery your hands are, Axel. Look at your hands.
It's also so great.
Let me see. Wait, what can you make with your slime, August? What can you make with it?
When someone goes pizza in the air,
You going to make pizza?
yeah, we make it like somebody, like a pizza man.
Like a pizza man?
The pizza man go in the air.
Oh, you're going to throw it in the air like a pizza man?
Yeah, like a pizza was. The pizza man was going in there.
Yeah.
Let's do sticky. Look at this, so bright.
Oh, whoa. August is making the pizza. You gotta be
I
careful though, okay?
Well,
Whoa, look at Axel's. It's so pretty. Mommy loves that one.
I'm doing that one.
Huh?
Donut.
You're making a donut?
Donut.
It looks like a donut?
Yeah, like a pizza.
Like a pizza donut. Wow.
Pizza donut, huh?
That sounds interesting. You might need to patent that, Axel.
Why are you making a pizza donut?
I don't know. What do you? Does a pizza donut sound yummy to you? Yeah. What would you put on your pizza donut?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Okay. What else?
No, it's already slime. Already slime, see?
And dust.
It's slime.
And dust? No. Do you hear August? Axel, did you hear August? He said he'll put sprinkles and dust on his pizza donut. That's silly.
That's so yummy.
That's yummy?
Yeah,
That sounds like something that Scooby and Shaggy would eat
Where's my
from the
ghost?
movie.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Hmm?
There's a monster.
There's a monster? Oh!
No, mommy. Mommy.
Mix it, Axel, mix it. Mix it, Axel, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Oh, now it's real slime now.
Why also making pizza donut?
Oh yeah, real slime, baby.
Wow.
And just like you said, red and blue made purple.
You and me.
Wow.
Come on, you gotta keep mixing it so it's nice and
Very slimy. And let's move this over here. So, all right, we are just slime making machines here. Axel's coming at you with another pink. You like pink? You like pink, Axel?
Why am I making a mango?
You're making a mango?
Yeah, I'm making a mango.
Oh, okay.
Daddy, look.
let's see.
Hey, the sky.
August is doing
Look, it's a
purple
bubble.
and red.
Oh, there's a bubble.
There's a bubble in there?
Yeah, it's swimming.
What color do you think purple and red will make?
I don't know. Check it out.
I'm gonna try
Let's
it.
find
Get
out.
ready once I get the
I
red
know
out.
there's not a whole lot of red left in there, but we're trying.
We gotta put the solution in first, okay? Before you mix it. You can't mix it yet.
But I think there's a pink. That is a pink. Oh, now what is it now?
You got all the red out?
Yeah. Pink. That was the
Oh,
pink
it's
one.
mostly purple. Okay, we're gonna get the remnants of all the bottles. This is our last slime round because we're out of glue.
I do it.
You did it? Good job. I see.
Wait, it's not coming out because
Ooh, all the colors. All the colors.
look at
And
Daddy.
there's the slime that we made.
Mommy, look at Daddy.
You said look at Daddy? Yeah. All right. You guys made some really cool slime. Did you guys have fun playing?
Yay!
Yay!
Wait.
You're making a pizza? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Augie Axe and Rose Adventures.
Thumbs up.
Say until next time.
Smash the bell.
Yeah, and smash that bell.
Yeah.